I have something pretty insane to share with you guys. So recently in May of this year, May of 2022, I went to a little place called Star Wars Celebration. Now, a little bit before Celebration, my friend Nick over at Starfall Sabers hit me up and was like, we should collaborate. And I was like, I have been following you for forever. You are my favorite saber company, and I have been in awe of your sabers for the longest time, so I would love to collaborate. I'd feel insanely grateful to collaborate. So he was like, I'd love to make you a saber. And I was like, oh my god, that's insane. A completely custom saber. So he was like, let me know what you have in mind, what you want for your saber, what you want it to look like, the color of it, everything. And I was like, surprise me. Anything you make, I will absolutely love. So he kind of did just that. He was like, I want to make you something that's really pretty, that's spinnable, that I can get installed eventually, all of the things. And what he came up with, it's beautiful. So let's go back in time a little bit to Star Wars Celebration when he gifted me this beautiful saber.
By the way, yeah.
This is so cool. Here with Starfall Sabers, of course. You guys know him, love him.
Oh, don't be. So we talked about some etching, but it was going to be a complete mystery saber.
Right.
And I know you like to spin, so it's super sleek. So yeah, go ahead and open it up, check it out.
Oh my god. I love this bag, first of all.
That was gifted to me, and I was like, this is going to be perfect for your saber. So
I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious?
So that says Carly King and Aurebesh, yep.
Oh, I've never owned a saber with my name on it, let alone one this beautiful. Oh, and it's awesome. Oh my god.
So this is copper plated steel, acid etched aluminum. You have real copper switches.
Oh, these are the switches.
Yeah,
Very cool.
yeah. Right now they're just press fitted in. They're not going to pop out, but when you get the install, you can secure them more securely. And it opens up from there for. So I designed it so you can have like a fully removable core, like how Jeremy does.
Yeah. This is. I'm blown away. This is beautiful.
Sweet.
Oh my god.
I'm glad you're happy with it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is Allen key for the blade retention.
Thank you so much.
So yeah.
I'll stick this in the. I don't want to put it in the same bag.
If you lose it, just let me know. I can ship you more.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. I have so many of these Allen screws. The Allen wrenches. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna. Wow, okay, yeah.
And you can even like put a blade in it, like a day blade, and just spin or whatever, just until it's installed.
Wow. So. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that's a custom blade plug for you.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's a real lightsaber.
Yeah, this is the real deal.
So here we have my custom Starfall saber. I am absolutely in love with this. It's got a Old Republic, really beautiful, and the design itself is like, I'm in awe. It's like an antique, basically. It looks like an antique, but like, I'm just in awe. It's completely copper plated around these parts. You have a button here and then a button here. I don't know if you can tell, but that's my name in Aurebesh. It says Carly King. Oh my god. I can read a little bit of Aurebesh, but definitely this is just, it's so cool. And it's on both sides too. He has these gorgeous floral accents in the saber. I'm sure you can see. It's just beautiful. And the blade plug itself is one of the coolest parts. The copper has turned green and it's super like antique-y. I haven't gotten it installed yet, mostly because I don't want to damage it. I'll think about getting it done sometime along the road. He also told me that he wanted to give me something that I could spin easily, and this one definitely, I can already tell, is gonna be perfect. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to get this installed, what you think about it. It's honestly my favorite lightsaber in my collection, truly. This is my #1 favorite lightsaber. It's like nobody else has this one and my name's on it, which is the coolest thing ever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to go check out Starfall Sabers. His work is unparalleled. It's beautiful. He has an Etsy shop that's currently open. You can check out his Starkiller Sabers, which are probably my favorites, aside from this one. But just scrolling through his Instagram, you can get lost looking at how gorgeous the sabers are. So I highly recommend checking him out, giving him a follow, and showing him your support because he's incredible. So all of his links are down below in the description. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the Force be with you.